How to fix iPhone not showing up on computer. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through steps on how you can fix if your iPhone is not showing up on your computer. Well, first thing you'll need to remember, if you connect your iPhone like an Android device simply by plugging in your USB cable one end on your iPhone and the other end on your computer, then unfortunately that won't work. Now what you'll have to do is you'll have to install certain third-party applications. Now in my case, I use 3U tools, so I'll recommend you to head into your browser and head into 3u.com on your computer. Remember that? On your computer, head into 3u.com and then install this for Windows. Once you have downloaded it and installed it, simply open it up. It'll ask you for certain permissions. Allow that permissions first. Once you have allowed that permission, now connect or plug in your iPhone to your computer using your C cable or your Lightning cable. Once you have connected it on the both end, a prompt will pop up here on your home screen on your iPhone asking you for permission and whether you trust this device. You want to select trust and then it'll ask you for face verification, so you'll have to go through the face verification. Remember, if you fail that, it won't be connected. Once you have gone through the face verification after pressing trust, then you are good to go. On 3U Tools application, you'll be able to view your iPhone, all your storage files, everything, folders and such. So you'll be able to transfer files as well, back and forth. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.